Section Library. When a template is created, all template documents are stored in the clause/section library. New sections can also be created directly from within the library. Storing them in the library makes it easier to add them to other templates or tenders in the future. To access the library, click the main library menu, then click the clause library submenu. All of the sections are stored in groups, paragraph types, paragraphs, and then language versions. All available sections will be noticeable as the group name will be black. If a group is highlighted red, it means that at least one of the sections in that group is unavailable and needs to be approved. Sections can be directly edited in the library by expanding the group and editing the contents of the section. After saving the section, if the editor is the owner, the section will be made available. When a section is highlighted red, it needs to be approved or reviewed. Various settings can be changed like paragraph name, review intervals, specialist users, setting editable or non-editable properties, marking the section as reviewed. The templates which are using that section are also listed, and clicking the link will take you directly to the document. When the section tree changes to black, it will be available to use in another template or a tender. If the library has many sections to approve, then use the batch tools to approve everything altogether. The batch tools will only list and approve items where the user is the section owner, or has permission to approve those sections. The first is the batch approvals. The tree will show you which sections will be approved. Click the Approve All button. The sections are now approved. The second is the Scheduled Reviews. Click the Mark as Reviewed button. The sections are now reviewed until the next interval. When we go back to the main tree, all the groups which the user has permission to approve are now black. Sections can also be added to the library manually. Right-click the library node, click Add Group, then rename the default group. Right-click the group name, click Add Paragraph Type, then rename the default type. Right-click the paragraph type, click Add Paragraph, then rename the default paragraph. Finally, right-click the paragraph, click Add Language Version, then rename the language version. In the editor, enter the text, then click the Save as Final button to make it available, or the Save as Draft button to continue editing later. Every time a change is made to the section, a history record is created. Click the history link to view the details. On the section and paragraph levels, there are various settings that can be changed, like paragraph name, review intervals, specialist users, section status, and setting editable or non-editable properties. On the paragraph type level, apart from the section owner, users can add an additional user type group who are allowed to approve the section. The section is now ready to be used in another template or tender. Now the section is ready for use. It can be used in a document. Click the library icon, select the section group, section type, and then either drag the section onto the document, or check the box and click the Add as Subheading button. The section has now been linked.